What if there was a single food that could fuel your energy, protect your health, and even slow down aging? A nutrient-dense powerhouse that's been a dietary staple for centuries but often overlooked. Today, we're diving into the secrets of this incredible superfood, lentils, and exploring why they should take center stage in your diet. Stay tuned to discover how lentils, supported by their family of legumes, can transform your health and vitality. To understand what makes a food perfect, we first need to ask, why do we eat? At its core, eating serves one primary purpose: to provide energy. Energy powers everything from your heartbeat to your ability to think and move. This energy primarily comes from glucose, a simple sugar derived from carbohydrates. But energy alone isn't enough. To truly thrive, our bodies also need proteins to repair and build tissues, including muscles and organs, fats for brain function and cellular health, vitamins and minerals to support immune function, bone health, and countless metabolic processes, fiber to aid digestion, balance blood sugar, and improve gut health. A perfect food therefore must meet these diverse needs, and that's where lentils shine. Lentils are often called nature's multivitamin, and for a good reason. They provide an unparalleled balance of essential nutrients. Here's what 100 grams of cooked lentils offer: 230 calories of clean, sustainable energy, 18 grams of protein, a complete plant-based source of amino acids, 15 grams of fiber to support digestion and stabilize blood sugar, vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins, crucial for energy production and overall health. Antioxidants like polyphenols, which reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Lentils are also low in fat and have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for managing blood sugar and supporting heart health. One of lentils' standout benefits is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health. It keeps the digestive system functioning smoothly and prevents issues like constipation. Gut microbiome support. Lentils act as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome strengthens your immune system and even impacts mental health. Blood sugar regulation. The slow digestion of fiber prevents spikes and crashes in glucose levels. Cholesterol management. Soluble fiber in lentils binds to cholesterol, helping to remove it from the body. These benefits make lentils a cornerstone of a balanced and healthy diet. While lentils take the spotlight, their cousins in the legume family, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, and peas, play a vital supporting role. Here's why legumes complement lentils so well. Chickpeas are rich in protein, fiber, and folate, making them a heart-healthy addition to meals. Black beans and kidney beans are antioxidant powerhouses, protecting cells and reducing inflammation. Peas offer a unique combination of protein and fiber while being low in calories. Together, lentils and legumes create a nutrient-dense foundation for a balanced diet. Incorporating lentils and legumes into your meals is easier than you might think. Here are some practical and delicious ideas. Classic lentil soup. A warm, hearty option that's perfect for any season. Spicy lentil curry. Add some spices for a flavorful, protein-packed dish. Chickpea salad. Toss chickpeas with fresh vegetables and olive oil for a light and nutritious side. Lentil burgers. Blend cooked lentils with breadcrumbs and seasonings for a plant-based patty. Mixed bean chili. Combine black beans, kidney beans, and lentils for a comforting meal. You can also get creative by adding half a cup of cooked lentils to salads or blending them into smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Scientific research has consistently highlighted the benefits of consuming lentils and legumes. Studies show that regular consumption can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, help manage type 2 diabetes by stabilizing blood sugar, reduce inflammation and oxidative stress thanks to their high antioxidant content, support weight management by increasing satiety and reducing calorie intake. In fact, populations in blue zones, regions where people live the longest, consume legumes daily. This is a clear indication of their role in promoting longevity and health. While lentils and legumes are nutritional powerhouses, they work best when paired with other whole foods. For a balanced diet, include fresh fruits and vegetables for added vitamins and antioxidants, whole grains like quinoa or brown rice for complementary proteins, healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and oils to round out your meals. Lentils are more than just food, they're a gift of nature that supports energy, health, and longevity. Combined with their legume counterparts, they offer a simple, affordable, and incredibly effective way to enhance your diet. So why wait? Make lentils the star of your meals this week. Whether it's a comforting bowl of soup, a hearty curry, or a creative salad, your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to Symptoms channel for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and see you in the next video.